I would like to mention that the Fiji Police Force is independent and is not subject to political manipulation under Section 129 of the Constitution. If there are any issues in regard to policy, it refers to me for discussion. And I meet with the Commissioner of Police and the Commander of RFMF every fortnight. So pending issues are discussed. Any issues in regards to national security or I refer to the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, for guidance. So if there are pending issues in regard to independency, you write to me and I can address it to the relevant department. Thank you.
Thank you.